Okay, this is just a quick one. I've got this bedside table, so we just use it outside in the veranda. But the tops are loose. I'm just gonna put some holes in here and screw them from the bottom. The first you're gonna do, you're gonna first make some pilot holes, just more or less here. Okay, the 4 holes, I drill 4 holes in here, then I'm gonna just go put it on the side here, put this one here. The first do you just line up these things here quickly, make it nice, and then because the screws I'm gonna use is this type of screw, self-tapper. But it's not a wood screw, it's not a proper one. So I need just to drill a pilot hole for it to work better. Drill 4 pilot holes. Okay, now you're going to screw in. Put a flatted drill bit and then you're going to put it in there. Don't over tighten it because the wood is very soft. So now it's fastened. Let's check it. So now the lid is nice and nice and fixed. Okay, this was just a short one. Have a nice day. Till next time. Cheers.